4WD. Only 29k miles. Clean Carfax. One owner. This like-new 2009 Toyota RAV4 Limited has a power moonroof, leather, Bluetooth hands-free phone capability, and more. This beautiful, low-mileage RAV4 is in terrific shape and is ready to impress you with its pristine condition. It's the perfect time to buy this terrific 2009 Toyota RAV4. Awarded Consumer Guide's rating as a 2009 recommended compact SUV. If you demand the best deal for your money, then come on down to the Irwin Automotive Group. We have been family-owned and operated since 1951 and are committed to getting you the best deal on used vehicles. Never worry when you buy a used vehicle from us. Our worry-free guarantee includes 1. Money-back guarantee. 2. Vehicle exchange promise. 3. Live market pricing. 4. Free Real Deal Report. 5. Free Carfax. 6. All vehicles are priced thousands below book value. 7. Service department performs a 125 rigorous inspection. Ask your sales consultant for details. You can feel confident in our low advertised prices before you buy. We empower our customers with the Real Deal, an independent, live, and objective price check system. Not only will you see the prices for our vehicles, you can compare the prices, trim levels, and mileage of similar vehicles in real time. Just email or call us and we can send you a personalized link to view your own Real Deal report. It's that simple, and best of all, it's free. Our live market pricing is another way we demonstrate our used vehicle pricing transparency. We do careful market research of similar vehicles within 250 miles of Laconia NH and simply price ours to be the best value, saving you both time and money. Free 1-year 15,000-mile maintenance program with used vehicle purchases plus roadside assistance. Each vehicle purchase comes with an enrollment in our Owner's Advantage Rewards program, including to service and parts credits. And every 5th oil change is free. Call or email us today. Excludes diesel and ASIS vehicles.